got the mascot and Chubby Chicken. Well, I'm gonna tell you a lot about Mr. Chubby Chicken. Well, first, he was an Easter basket for me, and if I just open the lid really quick. It's pretty hard. I haven't opened this in ages. Well, sorry. Well, you use them as a basket, and then like here it's and then the shell where he pops out, it's supposed to open, and it's not really working, and he has a scar on his nose because he fell down. And yep, that's all about Mr. Chubby Chicken. Thank you. Please leave a like.